out here enjoying the gorgeous backyard here at our newest listing, 1039 Martinez Drive in the Rose Garden neighborhood of Brentwood, California. This home is truly one of a kind and is sure to check all of your boxes. Featuring a downstairs in-law quarters with kitchenette and laundry area. There's also an additional downstairs bedroom and full bath, perfect for guests. Upstairs, you will find a large loft, perfect for entertaining. Oh, and by the way, there are bathrooms in every single bedroom of this home. The primary suite offers a large walk-in closet, soak tub, and balcony overlooking this gorgeous backyard. Too many things to list. Please enjoy the tour, and if you have questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please give me a call.